Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your host, Sarcastic Specialist. This is the Chaos Before the Contract playlist. In this corner of the ZDS multiverse, we answer Real Guard 101 questions. With cinematic chaos, no recruiter sales pitch, and zero fluff. What you'll hear is the answer. What you'll see, that's the journey. Just you, me, and the info you're really looking for. So here is the question. I'm almost gone. What should I do right before basic? You've got days left, your bag's packed, the nerves are real. Just breathe because now's the time to lock in your mindset. Sleep, train, say goodbye to the people who matter, and make sure your phone's updated with family contacts and your recruiter's number saved. Double check your orders, triple check your bag, and get your head in the game. You're about to do something most people never will. Text your recruiter. If that helped, there's a whole playlist full of answers just like it. Check out the rest of the channel. Guard questions, cinematic chaos, and zero recruiter sales pitch. Like, subscribe. Send it to your friend who's overthinking everything. Or just watch the next one. I'll be here glitching in whenever the questions show up.